Again, it's Priscilla Batzell. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio. This is my paint pan that I take transfers out of. This is Sherwin Williams white latex with nothing added. And I am going to, I think that's the perfect card size. I'm going to swipe it. Am I going to spread it a little bit first? Maybe a little bit. Maybe just that way. Still learning. Amsterdam Black and Aussie Floetrol. Amsterdam White. Same. Prizm Pour Mayan Gold. No Aussie Floetrol. That is my 12-inch by 24-inch canvas. That is blocking my ability to turn my turntable. Excuse my head. Alright, that was not very slick, but it's still going to start to develop. Hopefully. You know what? I want some plain old black and white. So I'm going to grab a playing card this time. Scrape off my residuals. Depending on how you break the surface tension is also how many different kinds of cells you get. I'm throwing that in the bucket. Put these away for a moment. Wipe off my swipe card so it's ready to use. This is my bowl with my damp rags, or my usually damp rags, and I just dip them in one of my water buckets. They're made of sweatshirt, or sweatpant in this case, material. So you can see those cells are developing nicely. I don't know how much of that we're going to use. I'm going to put it behind me. Bring in that, oh. Well, I seem to have some marks in my canvas, but I guess we'll be fine. I'm going to do what I always do. And an extra layer. And some puddle paint. A pillow, not a puddle. Let's move some of these things out of my way for a minute so I have some elbow room. I'm going to spread my paint around the edge so that I have a chance to not have to worry too much. So I find if I put my 12-inch by 24-inch canvas on the crossbars, then I know I can swing it around. Spin, not swing. And so far, I'm feeling like I'm going to need more paint, but I kind of want to experiment with less being more. So that's why the majority of my puddle is down here. And yeah, I am kind of taking my time getting everything in position. for this experiment. And I may add more paint. Chances are pretty good, actually. So let's just do that without much ado. And then I will spread that around a little bit also. It's very offset this time. It's in an odd place. I saw a gap. And I really want to kind of smooth those edges out, just on general principles. I'm going to throw that spatula into the bucket of water and give myself a copious amount, I believe, of the Mayan gold. And move it out of the way. And then I'm going to give myself some Midnight Shadow. Those are both Prizm pours. This is Egyptian Blue. I believe this is another Prizm pour. And I've been sort of looking around for this Snapdragon for a while, and I realized I've got to mix some more up. But it's a primary element, and it's a gorgeous, bright, purpley blue. It's a fantastic color. And I'm going to mix that with 3 pinks. Primary Element Tempting Tulip, Jasmine, another primary element, and one of my all-time favorite magenta pinky reds, Rhapsody Rose, another primary element. Why are you not coming out? Probably because you're not open enough. No, it's obviously... Sometimes I like to just take the top right off. Alright, so now I'm going to use this Liquitex medium small palette knife, or medium sized palette knife, and I'm inclined to use the Boomgel because I'm being drawn to a combination, maybe not the teal. Maybe? No. No. Yep, we're going to go for it again. As long as it's coming out. That is the violet. Don't want to waste the Aussie Floetrol. Or get paint chips in. I wish this palette knife would stop shedding paint. Really, I do. I'm not sure what that'll come to. I'm sure I'm not worried about it. That's going in the bucket. I'm just going to have to take all the paint off that. Alright, so I've got this other pan of colors, and maybe we ought to bring it over now. Not that it's very colored, but I'd kind of like to see take the lid off, which works really well, by the way. Grab a scoop or a playing card. I think I'm going to have to spin a few things out. In order to get the full effect. And I may have to do that sooner than later. Those cells will widen some. I guess I'm going to put that away for a minute. Maybe I'll leave that playing card there. No, I got to get that out of there. Let's make sure that this spins. I like to have a spin. I like to have a tilt, actually. I like to have a spin before I do much of anything else. I kind of feel like I should put some orange in here somehow. This might be really weird. Might also be really cool. I still need to scoop and drag if I'm going to do that. Alright, do I spin first or do I scoop and drag first? I think I'm going to try both. Let's try the scoop and drag before I do anything else. Sounds like that's not going to make it around. Kind of been looking forward to having something be mostly at one end and then be able to drag colors to the other end and spread them out. I want to be able to steal some colors too. These are gorgeous cells, wow. I think I might have to steal some colors from down here. Ooh, there's that Snapdragon. It's always risky changing the size and weight of your pillow. Yeah, I'm going to steal that. I might actually bring it back again. Cover up that spot that I stole some paint from. And I just did it again. Whoa, that's my head, sorry. Kind of want to tip some more, but I'm going to steal a little more paint first. Hoping my palette knife will shed some paint. And it looks like I got away with that. Well, that gives me 3 minutes to spin, and that's okay. I think I need a little something up there. I forgot my quinacridone nickel azo gold, which I like a lot, but I'm trying to find ways to do what I like to do without using it. I think I'm almost to the place. I really love those blue cells. Must be a good reason to steal some. Let's do some more of that. Oh, it looks like there's a snapdragon tongue. I kind of want to put some spirals in, but I kind of don't. I don't know how to explain that. I think I'm done, at least with this part. And I will grab a skewer. I'm going to start this way, am I? Pull that down just a little bit. It'll be interesting to find out what spins off and what doesn't. That just won't stop happening. Oh, that's pretty cool. We're getting someplace now. Let's put it back in position. It doesn't seem like it should be hitting. Now, what am I going to do? I'm not really unhappy with most of that. I do want to grab a skewer and see if there's any place that I might want to put a subtle. Oh no, I've only got 1 minute left. So please share my videos, give me a thumbs up. I'm happy that you're here. I posted 10:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Your donations through PayPal keep me painting. Thank you so much for joining the membership. And know I love you guys. You inspire the heck out of me. That's impossible to avoid. That's the paper on the back wall covered with paint. So I can probably shimmer this at you, but I bet you anything I'm going to have to spin it one more time. And I forgot my phone, so I can't shimmer it at you anyway. Oh well, that'll teach me. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Check my link tree for the 20% off Colourarte coupon code nearby and the 10% off Pixel Paint Designs where you can get Australian Floetrol. No, I love you. I'll see you anon. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Blue Art Studio Gallery.